All right, happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hey, one thing I forgot to do yesterday, and I think it was in the IRA, is, if I don't watch it, I'll forget to group trade. So remember we had a trade yesterday where we converted a naked put into okay, we've got to move that. And that's what we're going to be talking about in our Muscadine Mafia session coming up after our regular session. We're going to talk about converting the 111, the naked put of a 111 into a Sweet Bobby Hedge. Make sure we're all comfortable on that. So move these to T-bills. Then yesterday, oh my gosh, what the crap? I bought 7 puts. Wow, look at me. Why did I do that? I thought I did 8. 4, 8. I don't know, man. I'm getting lost. Let's see. So we did let's see what's what. 3580, 3500, 3440, 38 for unbelievable. What is this garbage? Okay, so this was a -4. I don't know, man. What did I do? Jeez Louise. Let's go get it. So remember yesterday we took this hedge. Okay, so we did a 4-8 yesterday. Or day before yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. Did we actually do that? A 3,500, 3,480? I guess we did. 3,500, 3,480. 3,500, 3,480. Okay. I guess we did that. 3,500, 3,480. No. Hold on. 3,500, 3,480. Huh. Anyway, let's put that in a Sweet Bobby Hedge. So move that. So I got all my stuff all messed up. Move to that to a Sweet Bobby Hedge. So that means the 4 need to go to the Sweet Bobby Hedge. Move that to group Sweet Bobby Hedge. Okay, so what did that leave us with? That left us with a 3580. What the crap? 38. Y'all help me make sense of this. 3840, 3890. What in the world? So we did okay, so that's a 50 wide right there. 3890, 3840 is a something another. So we'll move that to a put debit spread. Jeez. Then the 3580 has to be naked puts. And then the 3440 has to be a Sweet Bobby Hedge. But remember what we did. So the 3480, wait a minute, 3480. I'm all confused. 3440. So we converted a Sweet Bobby Hedge, 3440. Here it is. So the 3490, is that right? 3480, 3440, 3490. We got to move over. Yeah, so we entered that yesterday. 3440. So the 3490 was 63 days left. That's a Sweet Bobby Hedge. Let's go find it. 3490. It was a naked put. So the 3490, 3490, what is it? 3490. Y'all help me. 3590, 3490. No, we got 4 of them though, was it? Jeez. Unbelievable. Now I'm all messed up. 3490. We got 4. See, that's the problem. You got all these strikes together and it won't let me just move, one of them. We've got to move the whole deal. So, all right, let's move this to Sweet Bobby Hedge. We know that's part of a Sweet Bobby Hedge. So we got all my groups all messed up. Okay, that's fine. No big deal. Let's see how our groups are doing. Our naked put should be making money if we've got them right. Our T-bills always make money, thanks to Ed. We have, did I do 8? I thought I did 8 too. I don't know why I did 7. I probably had sold one where I bought one. I don't know. We got all kind of problems. So my put debit spreads are losing money. They're all losing money. We always expect them to lose money. And my Sweet Bobby Hedges are losing money if I got everything in there right. Unbelievable.
Bobby, I don't want to stir it too bad, but like your spreadsheet, I think just showed you did 8, right?
Yeah, my spreadsheet said I did 8.
And I don't see where this other one is. It looks like you just have 7.
Yeah. Let's see what my order was yesterday. See, I did 8. See this? So I did 8 of the 3480. Yeah, I think I overlapped strikes or something. That's what I did. It had to be. Right. Just had to be.
Yeah.
No big deal. I mean, we'll figure it out. I mean, you know.
Okay, so that being said, couldn't you just do the Sweet Bobby Hedge with a 4.7 this time? And you
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
more premium coming in to offset the three net long quits you're going to have at the tail end. You have 3 instead of 4, but it's not that bad because you can also harvest the 4 short quicker to pay for the fewer net longs, if that makes sense.
Yeah. 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 It'll work out. It'll all work out. I'll pray about it. All right, look, y'all. Here's what now this is kind of cool, right? So let's talk about this. This is saying close my 3340 naked puts. I got 3 of them, right? But before I go, what am I going to do with that? I got options, right? So why don't let's just get our net lick of the IRA first, since we're on the IRA first. We never start with the IRA. Let's get in and see how we're doing. We are at 108,923. 108,920. Look at this, y'all. 108,923. Daddy is getting paid, baby. I said daddy is. Well,
we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Look at that, y'all. Wow. $463 today, $753 today. We lost $300. We made $817. We're up $1,965. Let's see how we're doing all together. I mean, let's just brag a little bit. I mean, I've never had something work this good. So let's just see. Let's update our data, see how the S&P's doing. Yeah, but Bobby, you're up 1.84 and the market's up 5.79%. Okay, whatever. If I could do 1.84% every month in, month out, I'd be one of the greatest portfolio managers on the planet. I don't care that the market's at 5.79, you know? I need to hide that. Just say, screw it. Who cares what the market's doing? What are we doing? And we're doing great. So love that. Let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. Shall we? Let's go back here. And we're at 124.84. 124.84. 124.84. We're blue, baby. That means I've got to put on trades. So VIX is around 18 or so. So our buying pair is, and we hadn't really looked at the market. I don't know if it's up or down. I didn't pay attention to it. 25,367. 25,367. Look at this, y'all. Feed the beast, feed the beast, feed the beast. Isn't that great? Feed the beast, baby. Let's feed it. Okay, so what are we going to feed it? Some nice, beautiful theta, because we're blue here, we're green here, we're green here. We got to put on some trades. So let's go figure this out one. Let's go over here, because it's easier to build them in Tastyworks. So where we're going to go? Well, we're going to buy us a 50 wide, put debit spread. Where are we going to do that, old Bob, old Bob? Well, friend, I'm glad you asked. We're going to do that at around 60 days. I'm in SPY. Micros. I almost made a cardinal error. So we want at least 60 days without going under. Long put vertical. Y'all know the drill. Same old thing. Week in, week out. So 50 wide. And move that down to where it's costing me about $10. So 3,900, 3,950. I could sell this one. No, I'm long that one. So we'll go right here. Let's see if I can get filled for $10. We may get filled for 10. Let's go. $10. Well, do I want to do it over here? See, I don't know. That's why I need to start with this account first. Okay, let's go do this one. Let's do this, our Tasty account first. Let's see. So today's the 27th. Sorry, y'all. I'm moving around everywhere. I wanted to start with the IRA, but I can't because I need to know if I need to put this order in. So over here, our count is at 38,297. 38,306. Let's go with that. 38,306. 38,306. And fire up the band.
We're moving on now to the side.
And we're at 43.35. 43.35. Let's put that in. 43, that's green. 35 is going to be a little blue, y'all. So yeah, we do have to do a trade over here. And the VIX we said is around 18 or so. And our buying pair usage is 70.97, 70.97. So let's put it right here. I said let's put it right here. I said I say boy, 70.97. So we're green, we're blue, we're green, and we're green. When we're blue, we must put on a trade. So let's do this for $10. We are filled. There's our put debit spread. Now let's go sell some naked out closest to 90 days. And where you want to do it? Around that 12 delta. Why 12 delta? Because normally that's where we'd be selling it if we were selling it in the 60 days. But we can be a little bit greedy over here, can't we? Let's try to get 27. That let's see. So we'll do one of those. I said let's do one of those. I say boy. Come on. Come on. There we go. We got filled. All right, we got our 111 in. Isn't that cool? Isn't that great? All right. Let's move him over to the side. And remember we said, hey, we got to do something in this account. Okay. So in this account, we'll do a 111 in this one. So we'll go to the trade tab. And I gotta beef my theta up, y'all. So I'm gonna do 2 tranches over here. I probably should do 3. Oh heck, let's do 3. Just screw it. So let's go to 63 days. And we're gonna do the same tracks we did over there. We're gonna do the 3950, 3900. Let's do 3 tranches. Let's build my theta up and act like a real man. Act like a real boy. Going back to Shrek 2 and Pinocchio. 3950, 3900. Let's do 3 of them. Let's just take the cape off and let Superman out for a second. So 950 there. So let's move that up to 3, and we'll move it to 9 in 75. And let's get our trade on. 3950, 3900, 63 days out. And filled, baby, at 975. That was 63 days, right? Yeah. So let's go put him in the spreadsheet. Now remember, I always put my nakeds in first. Y'all do how you want to, but the spreadsheet really is made to put the shorts of the Sweet Bobby Hedge in first. That's not a Sweet Bobby Hedge though. So I'm gonna put a naked in. I'm gonna put my put debit spread in. We did 3 contracts. We're gonna do 3 nakeds too. And this will be a PDS 16, put debit spread 16. And we did the 3950, 3900 puts at a debit spread for 63 days on the year of our Lord. Oh, we're almost finished, y'all. We're having a great month, by the way. We got filled at 975. There we go. So now we're going to sell 3 naked puts, and we're going to sell them at, we'll call this NP 16 for naked put. And we're going to sell the 3630 puts naked at 84 days. 127.23. You've got to sell 3 of those. And let's see where we're going to sell those at. So we're going to sell those at 84. And I said the 3630. 3 of those. Keep everything consistent. 3630. 3 of these. For 2750, we're going to try. And 3 of those. 2750. Come on, baby. Fill me. I said fill me. Home daddy daddy. Dag it. Makes me mad. Come on. Hit me. 37.25. Okay, no big deal. 37.25 should fill. Got it. Let's put that in. 37.25 or 27.25. Right? 27.25. Yeah, 27.25. 3 of those. So look at there. We brought in 404, 157. Now we go back up and see if we need to do something with something else. Now watch this. This is great. Oh, be still. We have a close here. Okay, well, let's see what our overall risk is in our portfolio. This is where I scare y'all sometimes because we'll go over here and we're going to go hide all of our um, simulations and just show all of our trades. And we go, if we go down 20%, we're going to lose $47,000. It's going to be worse if the volatility kicks in. So we're going to lose. Let's go here. What's this? We're going to lose at 20% down, $78,000 and $108,000 account. So some of y'all would say, Bobby, that's not acceptable risk. I could see myself agreeing with that. So what we're going to do, friend, is we're going to convert, just like we did yesterday, the naked put into a what? Sweet Bobby hedge. So there's three 3340s at 49 days. Okay, so what's this? This is cool. So three 3340s at 49 days. So we sold those for $26.50. So what's this? We got a break-even calculator. So we got three tranches, right? That we sold for, what was it, $26.50? So if I can buy my loans for $12 maybe. If I can buy them for $11.75, I could have an overall profit if I harvest where I normally harvest of about $3.51. So I'm looking to fill my loans at $11.75. All right, so let's go see where we can get the loans at $11.75. First of all, I got to see where my trades are again. So it is at the 3340 at 49 days. 3340, 49 days. Now, I might can put it in the same expiration. That would be cool. So let's go to trade. Let's go to 49 days. And we got the 3340, I think, is where we got our position. There's our three. Look at this, y'all. We could buy, we could buy those back actually, right? You could buy, I could go up here. I could buy all these other things up here. I could make this a debit spread. I could totally take off the risk of that 3340. Isn't that cool? You ain't got no valley of death then. Buy the 3350s, you got to put debit spread there. Isn't that cool? Or you could say, okay, let's just buy the 485 here, the 3330. That keep it nice and sweet, right? But you're basically removing all risk from this particular option. So what would I do? It's a good question. What would I do? I don't know. I got options, right? I got all kind of stuff I could do to strengthen up my portfolio. So why don't we just remove the risk of this? We'll leave it on. I don't know. Where you want to buy it? Because I'm trying to think in my head, what's the logical thing? If I don't want to necessarily erase the theta that's still remaining in this trade. It's got 49 days. So, 3340, that's fine, right? That really removes any tail risk that we've got on that option. So why don't we do that? Let's buy 6 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just kind of remove the risk there. Let's try to get filled at the net price or the mid price of 465. So let's go boom, tick 6 of those at 465. Fill me, baby. Fill me, baby. Let's go to 470. Just penny it up, nickel it up. 470. They're gonna make me nickel it up. That's fine. I got all day, market makers. You're not scaring me. I am Bobby Gaines, and I am somebody. Bless God. Here we go. 475. Give me a little. That's fine. I'll go to 480. You ain't scaring me. Y'all probably watching the broadcast even as we're here. You don't scare me. 480. That ought to feel. Come on. There we go. Filled at 480. So we got the 3340s at 480. Right? So 3330s at 480. Let's see what that looks like. So here we're going to insert a row, right? Insert a row. And we're going to say MES. I said we're going to say, here, let's do this. MES. And we bought 6 options. All right. And we're going to call this a long hedge. So this is a SBH, what do we call it? SBH, we'll call it 1X. How about that? Long. And we bought the 3330s puts. And this is a long hedge. And we did it at 49 days. And we entered on 1/27/23. There we go. So let's just copy some of these little things down here. Don't worry about your formula being gone. Just do that. Drag that corner down. It'll fix everything. Isn't that cool? So we got field 4. What's our field price? We got field 4 on the 3330s. We got field for 480. 6 of those. 480. So okay, move that down. Dugga. And then so let's see if any of my other formulas are messed up here. Yeah. A couple of my formulas are messed up here. No big deal. We'll just move those down as well. Now, what we need to do though is change this to a short hedge. So my 3 3340s need to be moved to the hedge. My 3 3340s with 49 days need to be moved to the hedge group. So let me find those. Let's get our groups back. The 3 3340s. Here they are. I'm going to move those to the Sweet Bobby hedge. And then these unallocated puts of 6 goes to the Sweet Bobby hedge. Move to group, Sweet Bobby hedge. The 3630, 3950, 3900 goes to the put debit spread. And the -3 go to the naked puts. At least maybe those will be right. So we know that there's some things that are wrong. Okay. So questions on that. Isn't that cool? So now in your spreadsheet though, you say, well, Bobby, it says close. Now what I do? Well, all you got to do is now make this instead of naked put 44. We're going to make this Sweet Bobby hedge 1X, short. So there's our shorts, 3340, 3 of them. And then we'll call this a short hedge, and that will go away. Look at that. Boom. Now, I forget what our risk was, but our risk should now be less at 20%. All right. I forget what the number was, but now our number is, well, let's put that there. It'll be
It's about
worse.
74,000.
74,000. Now it's 95. Oh, heck, that was without the volatility popped up. So the 74,000. So now it's about 70,000. Yeah. So it gave me a little bit of relief there. Isn't that cool though? Isn't that cool? So I think that was a big takeaway from yesterday's session, where we actually took the, what we could have claimed for a profit. We just said, hey man, let's just convert that into Sweet Bobby hedge. Because now, watch what that Sweet Bobby hedge is going to look like. Let me kind of purple him a little bit. Make him purple. So we'll know he's a hedge. Let's see. Yeah, there. So now, 2650, I bought the loans for 480. Let's see what that looks. 2650 and 480. Let's go to the calculator. So I bought my loans for 480. I'll typically close my shorts at 94%. Look, I will have made a final profit of $212.01 on a hedge. Okay, I'll take that. Boom. Now that is life-shattering. Well, not life-shattering. That's crazy. Any questions on that? Isn't that cool? All right, let's go to our final account, the old Crimson account. Hey, little Crim. Little Crim. How you doing? How you doing? See how the Crimson Count's doing today. So here we are at 29,889. 29,889. 29,889. Fire up the band, Roger.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so over here, our Greeks and ratios are 42, 28, 42, 28. And portfolio management, cool though. 42, 28. You just do the same things over and over and over. Uh-oh, there's Terry Lee calling about my kids. He got practice today. Hey, Terry. Good. How you making? Oh, absolutely. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll check with Beth on that, but definitely we can cancel today. And if not, we'll pick it back up on Monday. How about that? Sounds good, Terry. You take care. Bye-bye. My kids have individual instruction. Let me tell Beth. No practice for kids. Terry had to cancel. Sorry, y'all. Had to cancel. Y'all know I'm a daddy first. Beth's already fussing because I wasn't going to be there for it anyway. So, all right. So, what are we doing? So, now our thing is, let's see, 6228, 6228 on the buying power. All right. So, here we're at 20%. We could be at 30. That's good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That is a little blue, baby. So, y'all know what old Bobby's going to do. We're going to sell some premium. Let's go in here and do it. So what do we do? Well, it's broken record. Do the same thing we did in other accounts. So we're going to buy the 3950, 3900, 3950, 3900. Broken record. Same old, same old. And y'all yet come back every day. What's wrong with y'all? Because y'all are consistent money managers as well. Y'all are the driver of your own hedge fund. So let's see if we can get in there for $10. And we'll do one tranche. We ain't gonna be greedy. All right, Phil. So then we're gonna sell at 84 days, the 3630. 3630. This is so fun, y'all. Oh, I love this stuff. I hope y'all do too. So let's sell one of those. So fill me, baby. No. Jack, squad crap. It's 2750. 2750, we're in. So if you got multiple accounts, best thing to do is to go over here and snag those, right? We just put them in over here. So 2725, 975. So here, grab the stuff in blue. Don't grab the stuff that's not in blue. All right, so Control C for cat. And then go over to your other spreadsheet. And over here, go trades. And go to here and go Control V for Velament. And we got in for $10 and $27.50. Let's see, my memory, y'all. It goes $27.50. And not, wait a minute, $27.50 and $9.75. Is that what we got filled at? Yeah, we got filled at $9.75. $9.75 and $27.50. Let's go do that. $9.75, $27.50. I said $9.75. $9.75 and $27.50. Okay, now same thing. Let's go look and see if there's anything we should do over here. Auto close signal, auto close signal, auto close signal, auto close. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Now, what you could do, we see some put debit spreads that are, getting old, but our naked stuff, look, tomorrow that'll be ready to close, right? But it'll be Saturday. So, these nakeds will be regular. Could I close them now? Probably. Do I need to? Well, let's see how we're going into the weekend. Let's see what our risk is. So we go to Analyze tab and we go Hide Simulation, show me all of our stuff. And 127, everything looks good. So in a 29, almost $30,000 account, we'd lose $13,000 on a 20 move down. But if vol kicked up, it could be ugly, y'all. If, you know, vol kicks up and we don't just slide down, we just crash down, we're down $34,000. Yay! Well, okay, that ain't too good. It's not down $34,000. So what we could do is go over here. Same thing, right? Let's see the one that we're fixing to close. We got one here. So the 3370 at 31.25. I did two of them, right? So 31.25, two of them. Let's see what that was. 31.25, go to the SPH break even. 31.25, two of them. So if I could find something for $11 or less, I mean, that'd be groovy, right? So I'd make $61.99 on the entire hedge if I harvested the short where I normally do at about 94%. So let's see, let's just see what we got here. Okay. So let's see what we can do for $11. So let's go back to our trades. Again, we're at this one, right? This naked put, the 370 with 63 days to go. 33.70. 63 days. Y'all help me remember that. 33.70. Let's go to trade. 33.70 with 63 days to go. 33.70. Okay. 33.70. Look, y'all. I could buy that for $8.25. Now let's do something a little different today. All right. Let's just go over here. Let's just buy something a little more expensive. Let's turn this into a put debit spread and put some protection up here about that $9. Or how about right here? That's a 33.75. So 33.30 is where we were at. And let's go in here. Let's don't pay too much because we want the whole trade, but we just want to bump our stuff up. So let's buy 4 of those. 2, 3, 4. Buy 4 33.50s. We're going to try to get it at 775. Nothing. Jack squat crap. So cancel replace. We'll go up to $8 just to appease the market makers. And 4 33.50s at $8. 4 33.50s at $8. So 4 33.50s at $8. So let's do this. Let's go insert and 4 33.50s. 4 33.50s. I thought I did higher than. Why didn't I do 33.70? I was going to go above 33.70. Darn, I did the wrong strike. 33.50. That's fine. No big deal. It gets us a little protection. 4 33.50s. And this is the long puts, long hedge, right? I said this is the long hedge at $8. What do we get on? 4 33.50s at $8. 4 33.50s, $8. Go, Bob. Where's it at? Where's my dent? Here we go. 4 33.50s at $8. At 63 days. Put it on 1/27/23. Do y'all remember how much protection I was getting a while ago? I don't remember. So remember, don't worry about this. Just kind of drag that little corner. That takes care of all your formulas. We got in there at $8. So I have to drag this little formula down too. No big to do. Ta-da! And then let's go over here and do these little 3 formulas down. So we've got everything filled in. And then we'll look at our returns so far this year. All right, so long hedge 33.50 for those. So our 2 3370s need to be in the long hedge category. I mean, in the hedge category too. So two 3370s. Two 3370s need to be in the 3370s. These need to be in the put the sweet Bobby hedges. And then these need to be in the T-bills, since we got all these T-bills that we bought now. And those are working great, thanks to Ed. And then these go into the sweet Bobby hedge. That's that 4 that we got, right? Then this 3950, 3900 we just sold a while ago goes into the put debit spreads. I said they go into the put debit spreads. I say, boy. And then my nakeds move to group. Naked. It's fun. So now go back to your spreadsheet and label those nakeds as the right thing. So where do we do it at? Long hedge here. So now this is the short hedge. And let's call it the one hedge. Do we got a hedge above it? No. SPH1 diagonal. We'll call this SPH1X, I guess. Short hedge, long hedge. So we'll call this SPH. Short, what? 1X and SPH long 1X. You can call them whatever you want. I'm just trying to SPH long 1X. Okay. And then I've been making those purple to kind of show me where I've got a little bit so I can just kind of see where my hedges are. But all right, so let's go back to my little thing. That should give me a level of protection. All right. So let's go back to the Analyze tab. Hide simulations. Here we are at 20. So now we're down only 26,000. And it was what, 30,000? Isn't that cool? Now you say, well, Bobby, you had to buy those loans. Okay. Don't be greedy, people, because remember, I bought those for 8, but I sold those for 31.25. Okay, what's this? 31.25 and 8. Let's see how we're going to do. 31.25 and 8. So 31.25, bought those for 8. So if I harvest those when I normally harvest them, I'm gonna make $121. What are you griping about? And I just improved my overall position. Questions, comments, and it's cool. That is portfolio management. So let's see how our accounts are doing. We didn't see the IRA. Now remember, the IRA, the problem with the IRA, and I did do 3 contracts today, is I can't keep enough gas in the tank. I just can't keep it. So I've got to come to the realization, Bobby, 3 tranches is your minimum. Look, I've not been green the whole year. Boy, I got close yesterday. So, you know, how are we doing over here? The realized returns are 1.84%. Wayne, Crimea River. We have made almost $2,000 in profit. Look at there. My theta has totaled 1,500 for the month. We have collected in profit 1,900. That's 125% theta collection. I mean, I can't do any better, y'all. I really can't. Let's go to the little account. See how it's doing. It's just killing it. So over here, we're at 3.72%. The market's up 5.10%. Look at this. Our total theta is 885. Our profit's 1,035. We got 116 theta capture so far going on. We've sold $1,700 of premium. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's a successful month. Great start to the year. Who's got questions, comments? It's great. Y'all enjoy your weekend, man. I mean, this is good stuff. I will see y'all Monday.